Kaizer Chiefs legend Dinashe the General Nengomashe has swapped the pitch for the classroom, embarking on a new chapter in his football journey. The former midfield enforcer has enrolled in the international program in sport management at Nelson Mandela University, a course offered through the CIES International University Network in collaboration with FIFA. Currently serving as a team manager at Zimbabwean Premier League side Ngezi Platinum Stars, Nengomasha believes the program is shaping his skills for the administrative side of the game, and said the last time I was in a classroom, I was in high school. So far, this course has been eye-opening. It's helping me to understand the basics of football business. You learn a lot and it will make us perform better while also understanding the roles we are supposed to deliver when it comes to club management. 42-year-old, twice crowned PSL Player of the Season during his decade at Naturena, is now rubbing shoulders with sports officials and industry figures from across Southern Africa. His classmates include professionals from South Africa, Botswana, Zambia, Zimbabwe, and Namibia, delving into topics such as sports marketing, strategic planning, law, sponsorship, and media rights. Surrounded by good people and strong characters, Nengomasha says the diversity of perspectives has been invaluable, and said most of the knowledge I had before was from my playing days and being at the different clubs. Now I'm learning the right ways, the systems and the applications of management. It will be easier to deal with situations that arise in my day-to-day duties. While many retired players gravitate towards coaching or punditry, Nengomasha is urging former professionals to look beyond the touchline, and said the norm is that most players, when they retire, go into coaching, but not all of us can be coaches. Football also needs administrators and other people in different roles within management. If we empower ourselves with knowledge and education, it will improve football not just in the southern region, but in Africa as a whole. The former Bidvest Wits midfielder has his eyes on bigger roles within the game, with ambitions of one day serving as a sporting director or contributing to football governance at the Zimbabwe Football Association, ZIFA. Said, I want to grow, I want to be in a position like a football sports director. I want to work for our association, ZIFA, and also open avenues outside the country where I can continually grow. At this point, it's not about me, it's about the game itself. Africa has so much potential in football, and it's up to those of us in leadership roles to make it better. For Nengomasha, who once feared for his uncompromising tackles, this latest pursuit is about building rather than breaking down. He hopes initiatives like the CIES program can eventually be extended to empower less privileged former players who may not have the same access to educational opportunities. And since sport is something special for most of us who have been in the game, with this program, I believe we can attain the success that we want. I pray there can be seminars for those who are less privileged to come and also share in the ideas and knowledge. From commanding Chiefs midfield in the 2000s to leading from the sidelines and now lecture halls, the General continues to march forward this time with football's future in mind. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.